My name is Mia Moore. I use they, them pronouns, and my role at Camunda is the Senior Technical Community Builder, and I'm on the DevRel team. So what that means is I work with our more technical community platforms, so things like GitHub, making sure the Camunda Community Hub is supported the way that it needs to be, helping people contribute code and other things to our ecosystem. What I hope to do is really have people decide what skills do I want to develop, what skills do I want to work on or use in some capacity, and how can that apply to something I can do in the Camunda community. So really it's in this case about the introspection and thinking about like, okay, what skills do I have that I haven't used? What skills do I want to develop? How can that tie in? And like, what opportunity am I going to pursue after this? So maybe you want to increase your public speaking ability and practice with that. Oh, well, great. We've got several opportunities for that. We've got meetups, we've got conferences that you can submit CFPs to. We'll help you with your CFP. We'll help you with all that stuff. So I'm hoping that what people will get out of it is inspiration for other ways to get involved and how to get started, and then all the different support that we offer as a DevRel team, but also larger as a full company. We are here to support you. We have people in place for all of our different programs that are here to help you be successful. So it's not like we say, oh, that's great that you want to host meetups. Good luck. You know, we have Maria, who's really great with helping you get started and making sure everything is good and getting you organized. So we have infrastructure built up. We want to help you be successful. And again, this is really about like, what do you want as an individual, whether it's developing these different skills or just getting more involved in the community. You can participate at whatever level you want to participate. There's a lot of different ways you can contribute to Camunda. You could build your own extension, and so that involves code. You could help with an extension in a non-code capacity, so like helping triage issues or other sort of like maintainer type things that don't require actually coding. You could be a meetup organizer. You could give talks at meetups, so you're not organizing the actual meetups themselves, but you're speaking at them and coming up with topics and things like that. You can contribute to docs. Documentation always needs help. You know, the more people have eyes on it, the better, to make sure it's very understandable and all that. The forum is also another place where you can you know, hone your technical skills by answering questions and things like that, share your expertise. And that's another thing that I'm always like so surprised how many community members answer questions there, because, you know, I don't know, it's just not a thing I'd ever thought about with contributing to a community or like wanting to give back to a community, is like, oh, I'll go help answer questions with newbies, or maybe somebody's having the same problem that I had before. But that's like another way that I see our community giving back, and it's just really cool to see.